Pay you got such some say you promise I bear me pay.
Ta memot ban ong ba baro arngot ki bahai maya. Laya pide.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ban Ïada yaki Khynnah Kynthei na ka Jingpang cervical cancer. Lani ka Jingpang bampong ha ka khmut plakhun. Ka office u district immunization officer Ribhoi district Nongpoh ha ka santrik ulber aracara phenriu. Ka lapalat pajba ya ka HPV vaccination campaign against cervical cancer ha ka jialang kabalalong ha office ka Dm&Ho Nongpoh. U District Immunization Officer ka Ribhoi District, u Dr. Benjamin Lightplang u lapentip bakani ka HPV vaccination campaign kan sedang nadu ka santrik ulber arja penriu bat kan kut hadu ka laipoi terik u jemang arja penriu bat u laithuru bakani ka HPV vaccination campaign kadi ka jing'ai inject Tika yaki khon Kynthei ki bala kenjo khatsaus nem shaneng bat ki bahapo khatsans nem karta.
Relax ma. Itu. Jam belum? Nek ni. Jalan mah. Gua ingat ini.
Kublai Fibro, Nakarteng, Dr. Benjamin Lightplang, District Immunization Officer, Jongka Ribhoi District Nongpoh. Aku haban ai ke wei ke statement, ke wei ke jingtip mentaksi, ba kan launch ke HPV vaccine campaign, nadu mentaksi, bat bakan yai, lai benai, bat bakan kut hadu, lai hui terik demi. Kani ke HPV campaign, kadi ke campaign, kumbaki khot English human papilloma virus campaign kadi ka vaccination drive yaki khon Kynthei ba kidi beneficiaries bangi mud ban ai vaccination yaki ni ki khon Kynthei ba dap khat south nem but bampat cross yaka khat san nem ka HPV vaccine kadi ka wei ka vaccine ka baning kong hakari jongi badang sustang ba prevent ni ka cervical cancer kadi ka ningkong ka vaccine ba dangshu introduce ka ri jongi ban prevent ka Jingpang bampong nakabenta jong ka plakhon tinga kerpa di fi baro ki longkme kpa but kerpat yaki rong basnong ha baro ki snong but ki weki stakeholders na ki weki department ru bakin yarap lang bakin ai awareness lang ya baro ki beneficiaries badiban yo yakani ka vaccine but ki kme kpa badiban tips phangani ka vaccine shwa bagin yo ban ai ka ni ka vaccine yaki khon ba khatsaus nem kani ka vaccine bangi laban yo tang haki district hospital kum Nongpoh civil hospital ki primary health center PHC ki community health center CHC but ka state dispensary kini ki jaka ba kidan ki doctors kidan ki printer but kidan ki internet facilities bangi laban carry out laban le ya kani ka campaign kini ki ba deban ai ka vaccine ki dan kam ban yo tang shi dose jong ka vaccine ha ka kti jong ka kadyang but shwaban ai kini ki vaccine ru dan kam ban yo ya ka consent na ki kme kwa ne ka jingbit na ki kme kwa shwaban ai ya kani ka vaccine the day bala yo ka jingbit te nila ban proceed ban ai ya kani ka vaccine but the ladep ai ka vaccine kini ki beneficiaries ki de ben shong lipo minute AA hakata ko jaka ba ai ka vaccine ki kino ki breu bamla ban ai kini ka vaccine kini na kini ki Kynthei ki tang ki tu ki ba pangjur ka bha ba kinum ai ne ki dan allergy jadi ba ki yo laju yo kino ke vaccine mensua ki dan allergy ka bha ba kinum ai kini ka vaccine ne ki tu ki khon Kynthei ki laju yo kum kini ka vaccine ki we ki private hospital kim dan kam one eye show ne ki dan ki khon Kynthei ne ki Kynthei ki bala suspect bade ba armet kim dan kam one eye kini ka vaccine kani ka Jingpang bampong kadai ka bawan basau na ka bro ka ri perthei but ka bawan ka baar ha ka ri India kani ka virus ba ki khot ka human papilloma virus ningkong kini ki long kame ne ki age group jong khatsan hadu sau khandai snem da ki layo kani ka infection ningkong kinum su thu kani ka infection hakamet jong fi kadan ka jingkala hakamet jong ki nrei da ki layo shi yo kani ka infection ka poi hadu bak kinyo ya kani Jingpang bampong ki kmek pa badan jingmut pan ai ya kani ka vaccine ya ki khon jong ki laban one register lupa kum ka pre registration ha ka UN portal ne ki laban one chapo health facility when I ka inject ha ka jo ka por ka singi ba kin register ya ki khon jong ki kapor jong kani ka vaccination campaign hakini ki health facility kum ka PHC CHC district hospital but state dispensary kan yak nadu shpo baje dang step hadu ar baje janmin but the kilayo ka vaccine kini ki beneficiary kin sayo ya ka certificate ha ka jo ka scheme.
Had a long day? Feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams. All in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.